This is what $27 a night can get you in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So we are in the Hop-In Hotel in Chiang Mai. And it's another queen room. Again, if you guys watched my last video, you'll know we were in the Hop-In in Bangkok. So again, you can see how it's a pretty set standard for what you get. So again, we have microwave, that's a fridge, a chair, a little mini closet, a desk. Here is your lovely big window view. It does have aircon, balcony. Again, just the the little itty bitty one, but it also has a place for you to hang laundry. Again, also has a TV, but we haven't turned it on. Here's your nightstand. This is cool. Oh no, never mind. This outlet's a little different, but an outlet. And then for the bathroom, another Western toilet with a sprayer, sink, mirror, and then your bathroom. And again, this is the one downfall to Hop-In is this tiny little water heater. It does not stay hot for long, and when it is hot, it's definitely not burn my skin hot. But I like everything else about this hotel and the brand. It also comes with soap and shampoo. So I mentioned in my last video, we love staying in Hop-Ins when we're in Thailand. You know, there's a standard of what you can expect. They basically use the exact same blueprint for every single one of their properties. They're clean, they're affordable, they're just, yeah, they're nice. So this one here in Chiang Mai, we are in Santitap, so it's just down the street from Corner Bistro. It was maybe a 5-minute drive into Zoe, so it's very well located within Chiang Mai. There are, I believe I've seen so far 3 other Hop-Ins throughout Chiang Mai, but this is one we stayed at in Santitap. So as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures, leave me a comment. What do you think about the Hop-In brand? And the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.